If Google Chrome is showing the result code killed error, don't worry, this usually means Chrome is shutting down a tab, process, or window to protect your system from crashing. In this video, I'll show you several simple fixes you can try step by step to get Chrome working again. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech fixes. First, let's start with Chrome's built-in task manager. If one tab, extension, or background process is using too much memory, Chrome may kill it automatically. On Windows, press Shift and ESC to open Chrome Task Manager. If you're on a Mac, you may need to use the Browser's menu or check Activity Monitor instead. Once the Task Manager opens, click the Memory Footprint column to sort everything by RAM usage. Now look for the heaviest non-essential tab or background process. If you see something frozen, unnecessary, or using way too much memory, select it and click End Process. This can instantly free up resources and stop the error from coming back. Next, try disabling hardware acceleration. Sometimes Chrome and your graphics driver do not work well together, and that can cause tabs or windows to crash with the result code killed error. To do this, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome, then open Settings. In the left sidebar, click System. Find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available and turn it off. After that, click Relaunch so Chrome restarts with the new setting. If the problem was caused by a graphics conflict, this often fixes it right away. If you're still having trouble, clear your cache and cookies. Corrupted site data can trigger endless loading problems and browser crashes. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. In the Time Range menu, choose All Time. Then check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Click Delete Data, close Chrome completely, and reopen it. This gives Chromium a fresh start and removes a lot of common corrupted files. Another very important fix is turning off extensions. A bad extension can easily crash a page or cause Chrome to stop a process unexpectedly. Click the three dots again, hover over extensions, and choose Manage Extensions. Now toggle off all active extensions. Reload the page that was giving you trouble. If everything works normally, turn your extensions back on one at a time until you find the one causing the issue. This is one of the best ways to isolate the exact problem. If none of those steps work and Chrome is crashing on every tab, there is one more Windows workaround you can try. This one is especially useful if you can't even get into Chrome settings. First, close Google Chrome completely. Then, right-click your Chrome desktop shortcut and choose Open File Location. Find the chrome.exe file, right-click it, and select Rename. Change the name to chromenew.exe and press Enter. This can sometimes bypass conflicts caused by security software or a corrupted application path. After renaming it, launch Chrome again and see if the error is gone. So to recap, if you get the result code killed error in Chrome, start by ending heavy processes, then disable hardware acceleration, clear cache and cookies, turn off extensions, and if needed, try the Windows Rename Workaround. One of these fixes usually solves the problem. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.